As VARIDESK has grown, we've been so fortunate to work with amazing companies all over the world. And it's been interesting that a lot of business owners have a lot of the same pain points. Everyone's looking to recruit and retain amazing talent. They want to create a great culture, and they want to create a workspace where people want to work at. And what's surprising to business owners is just how simple it is to create an active workspace. An active workspace encourages movement. This is by adding sit-stand desks to people's workstations so that people are up and are moving around, having areas where people can meet and collaborate, lots of different gathering spaces. It's really about simplifying the design, creating just the bones of the structure with as little sheetrock as possible. And as your business needs change, the active workspace is flexible and adapts. By having movable walls, you can add offices as needed. Also to have standing conference tables and a lot of different gathering points where people can be up and moving around and collaborating on new ideas. Active workspace is the key to giving both the employees and the employers what they want. For employers, this means creating a happier, healthier, more engaged and productive workforce. For employees, it means working at a company that reflects their values. The key is about activity and change. The last thing employees want to do is walk into the same space for the next few years and nothing changes. It's not enough to be an open office. It's about being active. The active workspace is the new standard, and VARIDESK is leading the way.